Are you tired of the clutter in your kitchen and struggling to find a reliable storage solution for your spices and small items? Look no further than the Magnetic Spice Rack Organizer. This multifunctional kitchen refrigerator magnetic storage rack is designed to bring convenience, organization, and style to your home. Let's explore the features that make this magnetic rack a must-have for every home. Here are the key features of Kubus Spice Rack Organizer 4-pack Magnetic Spice Rack. Super strong magnets, unmatched suction power. The magnetic rack boasts a super strong magnetic block with increased thickness, ensuring a quick and firm attachment to any metal surface. No more worrying about items falling off or lackluster suction power. With this magnetic shelf, you can rely on its unmatched holding strength to keep your essentials secure and within reach. Maximize storage with strong bearing capacity. The grid structure design of the magnetic shelf reduces its weight without compromising its strength. Despite its lightweight appearance, this magnetic rack can handle a maximum bearing capacity of up to 9 pounds. Organize your spices, condiments, and other kitchen essentials with confidence, knowing they are safe and secure. Declutter and enjoy a better life. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to a well-organized living space. The fridge magnet shelf helps you keep small items in check, whether it's in the kitchen, living room, or any other place in your home. Experience the joy of having a clean and tidy environment that promotes relaxation and productivity. Perfect for small homes and tiny apartments, the 4-pack Magnetic Spice Rack is a space-saving savior for small and tiny homes. Its strong magnet allows easy attachment to metal surfaces like fridges and washing machines, creating valuable storage without taking up precious counter and cabinet space. Declutter your kitchen, simplify your life, and embrace the functionality of this magnetic organizer. Versatile storage for every room. The magnetic floating shelf is not limited to spices alone. It's a multi-purpose organizer that can support heavy items like oil bottles, drinks, snacks, and more. Use it in the bathroom, laundry room, living room, coffee bar, or even in outdoor spaces like RVs and campers. With its 3 hanging modes, you can effortlessly organize every room in your home. Personalized design for durability, crafted from premium stainless steel and sealed with safety paint to resist rusting. This magnetic fridge organizer is built to last. Its ergonomic design and fine texture ensure a pleasant touch, while the longer service life guarantees years of reliable use. Embrace quality, style, and convenience in one magnetic rack. In conclusion, the Magnetic Spice Rack Organizer is a game changer for anyone seeking a versatile and space-saving storage solution. Its strong magnets, spacious capacity, and durable design ensure a clutter-free kitchen and a more organized home overall. Elevate your kitchen organization with this magnetic storage rack and embrace a more convenient, stylish, and enjoyable cooking experience.